diamonds sitting carefully away. I'm getting worried if they might get stole from my ender chest. Right, who is that? Holy sheep, it's not mine. Diamonds! Mine diamonds! Now
Alright, this is what you get for starting a new trend. Let's see how much damage it suffered. Oh, this bearing is coming out. Let's try again. Oh, it went flying, man. Well, would you look at that? Look at that. Alright. Oh, we almost got this last one out. Oh god, it's running away. This is actually very fun. Instead of spinning it while you're stressed, you should just throw it at the ground. Very hard. Oh! Look at that. Alright. Oh, it popped back in place. Dang it. Whoa! It flew behind me. See, now, these internet trends, they just need to die. This is why we're destroying them. What I'm doing with my life? But it came out. So, yeah. Alright, I don't know how I'm going to destroy it now. I'll think about it. Alright, so while I was outside, it seems I made a pretty big cut in it. I don't know if you can see, but yeah. So we're going to be trying to rip this. I don't know how I'm going to. I probably won't be able to do it just by like strength and stuff. I don't know. I just want to destroy this because it's just really cringy. Spins better than though now. Way better. Oh, now it's really really loud. All right. Okay. Oh, I have an idea. Why did you have to be a new internet trend? Ow, that hurt my finger. Okay. Did we do anything? No. Trash. I just figured out the perfect way to destroy it. I'm gonna destroy it through cringe. So, let's see if it'll work.
all these diamonds sitting carefully away. I'm getting worried if they might get stole from my ender chest. Hey, who is that? Holy sheep, it's not
Holy sheep, it's not.
mine diamonds. Mine diamonds.
I don't think it's working.
Now they're safe.
Maybe if I flush it down the toilet, it'll die. Oh god, that made a mess. Ooh, it's stuck down there. Okay. Well, now I'm gonna fish from the toilet water because I'm not flushing that because that would probably clog it up. Ugh. Oh, that it's not fitting. It's not gonna get it. Okay. I might have to stick my hand in there. That would be very disgusting. Here we go. Ugh. Okay, I did it. I'm gonna go wash my hands. Alright. Whoa, okay. That went in the plants. We don't want that, do we? Here we go. What am I even doing with my life? I'm hitting a fidget spinner with a tiny bat. Whoa. This thing will not break. Oh, what the? Ooh. Dang, fam. That's not good. Well, I mean, it is good for this video, but not for the fidget spinner, definitely not. Whoa, okay, that went into the garage door. No thank you. That was very loud. I think this is working though. Whoa, that flew over the car. Here it is. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do it over there anymore because I'm really afraid it's gonna hit the car and do something with this thing in here now. I'm just gonna hit it over here with the bat. Alright. That's very loud. I'm afraid somebody's gonna confuse that for a gunshot or something. So, yep. I might have to stop. But, yeah, this thing's pretty damaged. Alright, so let's try to rip it again. Still, it's like easier to like pull apart now, but it's still hard to completely rip. Let's just hit it with the ukulele and with the bat. Oh, okay, let's try to hit it with the bat right where the weak spot is. Alright. Nope. Alright. Alright. Let's see if Pusheen can try to. No. Let's try more cringe then.
It's the eye of the spider, it's poison, it won't bite. Oh, look out, I'm an excellent fighter. The creepers and zombies, other mobs of
indestructible.
The night. Spiders give you some
Even the cringe can't get rid of it.
Of a spider.
I just realized I've been using the wrong cringe. The cringe I'm supposed to use is my own videos.
I'm back. I hate Pokemon Go every day.
Cringe, you freaking fidget spinner. Oh, I'm trying to rip the wrong part.
Pokemon Go every day. I hate Pokemon Go. When I wake up, I'm killing myself and my phone. I wanna kill them all. I wanna kill
Oh, I can't do it.
Pokemon all day
It's indestructible.
long,
I can even withstand the most powerful cringe.
Pokemon Go every
I give up.
day. I hate Pokemon
That was loud.
Go.
But yeah, basically what we learned in this video game, what? Basically what we learned in this video is that these fidget spinners are hard to destroy completely. Don't throw it in the toilet. And if you want to get the bearings out, hit it with a baseball bat on the ground. Or no, just throw it at the ground. But if you want it to spin better, then just try to destroy it. It kind of spins better now. So, yeah, I'm not going to use this. In fact, I'm probably just going to throw this out. Alright. You're trash. Where is it? Oh. Focus. Yep, there it is. Trash. Yeah, but basically the moral of the story is that, fidget spinners are trash. And we should just all get rid of them. So, yep. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you like this, please like, subscribe, and comment down below. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye! And fidget spinners are trash. Bye.
My timings! Thanks for listening, guys, and thanks for recommending this song.